The next one, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. So here we are having 2 points and the question is find the ratio. We have to find the ratio by applying section formula, or to apply section formula, the 2 points and the ratio will be given, and we are using the formula to find the coordinates of the point. Okay, so here what all are given? 2 points, line segment joining the points are given as minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8. So one of the point is minus 3, 10 and the second point is given as 6, minus 8. Okay, is divided by minus 1, 6. That means the point P is given as minus 1, 6. So read the sentence again. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8. Line segment joining minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8, and if I am naming it as AB, AB is the line segment joining A and B, is divided by minus 1, 6. That means line segment AB is divided by P. Okay, and we have to find in which ratio P divides the line segment AB. If the question is to find the ratio, to apply the section formula, we were taking the ratio as m is to n, but m and n both will be unknown quantities. So avoid that confusion. What we will do is, whenever the question is to find the ratio, we will take the ratio as k is to 1. What makes the difference is here there is only one unknown k. If we take m is to n, there will be 2 unknowns, but instead if I am taking the ratio as k is to 1, there will be only one unknown. So now it is ready to apply the formula. Which formula? Section formula, because 2 points are there, ratio is there, and the point which divides the line segment is also there. So by applying the section formula, what we get is x is equal to, x coordinate is equal to, the formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y is equal to, I am taking it separately because the question is to find the value of k. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is equal to m we took as k, because ratio we took as k is to 1. So k into x2 is plus 6, x coordinate of the second point, plus n is 1 into x1 is minus 3 by k plus 1. And what about the value of x? X is actually the x coordinate of the point P, isn't it? So minus 1 is equal to 6k plus 1 into minus 3 by k plus 1. If I cross multiply, what I get? Minus 1. So when we cross multiply, minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Isn't it? Cross multiply, open the bracket, minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Collect k to one side. So minus k minus 6k is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So we are getting minus 7k is equal to minus 2. So that k is equal to minus 2 by minus 7, which is equal to 2 by 7. Okay. Take the next ratio also. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Substitute the value. What is y? Y coordinate of the point P. So 6 is equal to m is the first ratio k. K into y2 is minus 8 plus n is 1 into y1 is 10 divided by k plus 1. Cross multiply. 6 into k plus 1 is equal to minus 8 plus 10. So 6k plus 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. Collect k terms to one side. So 6k plus 8k is equal to 10 minus 6, and 14k is equal to 4, which gives you k as 4 by 14, which is 2 by 7. So while taking the coordinate of x and y, we got the ratio, means value of k as 2 by 7. Okay, what was our ratio? We took the ratio at the beginning as k is to 1. So k is to 1 we will get as 2 by 7 is to 1, isn't it? We will not write fraction while we write the ratio. What to do to avoid the fraction? Multiply both the ratio with the 7. So the first term becomes 2 by 7 into 7 is to 1 into 7. So that 7 get cancelled, giving you the first ratio as 2 and the second one as 7. So our required ratio is 2 is to 7. Can you identify? We usually used to take the ratio as m is to n, isn't it? M is to n, and here we got the value as 2 is to 7. Okay, but in this question we first of all take the ratio as k is to 1, and we got the value of k as 2 by 7 is to 1. Then can you relate k and m, k, m and n? What will be k? Can you say? k will be equal to m by n actually. That is the reason why we are taking k is to 1 instead of m is to n. Okay. So don't bother all these cases. Whenever the question is to find the ratio, if using the section formula, that means 3 points are given, 2 points for the line segment and 1 point which divides the line segment. We have to take the ratio as k is to 1. Solve for the value of k. Always, in almost all the cases, it will be a ratio, it will be a fraction. Avoid that fraction and write the ratio so that the value of m will be 2 and n will be 7 in this case.